Okay, so in this video we will try out a case for the Onyx Boox Palma ebook reader. This ebook reader has an e-ink display to read ebooks on, and it's very portable and smartphone-like, as you see here. So it's very nice to have this always with you wherever you go. So a case from TUDIA. You will find links down below in the description text to where you can buy this. Will fit this perfectly fine to have it always with you in your pocket or in your bag, for example. So we will unbox this and try it out and see how good it is. You see, uniquely designed protective case from TUDIA. Nice. And here we see some features, raised edges to protect the display. It's very light, and we have buttons will work still with this case on, as you see. Really nice. So let's open this up. Like so. That's what's in the box. And here we have the case. We have some foam in there. So this is a clear case on the back, as you see, and on the front it's some textile, leathery material to protect your Onyx Boox Palma 1. Please note that this case is for the Palma 1 and not the Palma 2. TUDIA has other cases, for example for the Boox Go 7 color. You can check that out on their link down below. So let's try it on. We put this in. Very easy to put it in the case. That's nice, because then you can have it in a case when you need it and remove it if you don't want to have a case, for example at home or something. So if you are out and about and need to have a case, you can easily put it in the case like I did here, and it works. So here you see really nice front on it, of it, as you see here. TUDIA, very nice material, I think. The front is very nice. It feels like magnets, some kind, to close it. It needs to be magnets. Feels like that. And on the back side you have a clear case to see the device itself. Nice. So let's start it up to see if it works. It works nicely. Let's start co-reader, for example, to read a book in. And we have, for example, this book. Sync to the last page, like so. But here we have a book. And you can of course read a book with the case on, like doing this, for example, or you can hold it like this to read, or like this to read. Or, as I said, it's very easy to remove the case when you want to read for a longer time. You can just remove the case like this and use it without the case. Very nice case, actually. So I love this case. It's nice to have a case when you need it, for example when traveling and I want to have this with you without scratching the display and more. So that is nice to have. So the buttons works great. You can go to the home page with this button. You have everything seems to work, and here we have the magnets, as you see, to close the case. That's nice. As I said, you can find links in the description text down below where you can buy TUDIA cases. It's very nice, and you can find it for different ebook readers. For example, the Boox Go Color 7 or the Onyx Boox Palma, like this. So go check that out. The case works great, as you see. Very light and nice to hold. Okay, bye.